Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and it is interesting to note I've been looking at insider builds. So on one of my machines, I do have Windows 11 on the Canary build, which is at a build 27818, and this is supposed to be technically the most advanced builds for Windows 11. And I had a little moment where I thought, well, let's see if they, maybe change something or fix something. And of course, I went and looked at the File Explorer with the three dots menu that goes off screen. And I tried it on the build, the Canary build, which is the most advanced. It does the same thing. And this has been there for a long time now. It's been talked about. It was on so many websites in the tech news. It was also a lot of the feedback posts about it too. And I just, I'm thinking it can't be that difficult to just change that menu to just, go into the other direction when you're in full screen. I don't think that's a difficult achievement, but it is still one of those little interesting things that, they're not, I guess it's not important. Who cares about a menu going off the screen? And I think this is where, we say it all the time. Microsoft adds new features, does things that we don't necessarily ask for, yet they don't fix simple things that everybody's been mentioning. It's like, when you look at the start menu, I mean, it's been 3 years and a half since it hasn't really changed much. And 3 years to finally have a new start menu at some point, maybe this year, that will be different, and we'll have categories for all apps. I don't know. It's an awful long time for many things like that, while they add all sorts of fluff that people just don't really want. I don't know. I think once again, I see it so many times. I think Microsoft has lost its sense of direction. It's just going everywhere at once, not focusing on what's important. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.